Sheryl Smith with Smith Real Estate Services, and I'm talking to people who are considering if a short sale is the correct option for them. There are really 5 things for you to consider when you are evaluating your real estate professional for a short sale. After all, you have a lot on the line and you want to make certain that the person that you entrust your outcome to is someone who is experienced in working with short sales. So here's some things for you to look for. The first is, what are the questions that they are asking you? A seasoned short sale professional is going to be asking you very early in the conversation things like, how many loans do you have? Who are the loans with? Are you delinquent, and if so, how delinquent? And probably most importantly, what is it that has caused you to have a problem paying the mortgage? You see, the hardship is the foundation of a successful short sale. So what happens is, let me just take a step back. What happens is with a short sale, either the property has to be having a problem and the borrower has to be having a problem. It's actually not either, it's both. Both of those things need to be true. So if the home is upside down, meaning you owe more on it than it would currently sell for, that's one qualification. The second qualification is you. What has happened in your life to create a hardship? So the questions that that professional asks are going to be a key indicator of how experienced they are. The second thing to ask is, how many short sales have they successfully closed? There are many agents who have listed quite a few short sales, but if they never get them closed, that's probably not the agent for you, because you're doing this to get out from under the responsibility of the home, and if they can't get it closed, then you don't achieve your goal. When they say, yes, I have closed, however many they say, then feel free to ask them, I'd like to talk to 1 or 2 of them. People who have done short sales are generally very happy to talk about the experience because they're so thrilled to have gotten out from under it. The third thing to consider is, do they refer you to a tax professional and an attorney? The reason that this is very important is that there are both legal and financial implications of doing a short sale. And a real estate professional understands that they are not those 2 things. So they will refer you to the professionals that can give you the specific information based on your specific situation. Fourthly, do they collect your paperwork at the time of the listing? The reason this is important is because everything in real estate is timed. And so if you wait until an offer comes in, that offer has a shelf life. If you're not able to get your paperwork done in enough time for you to meet that shelf life, then you could potentially miss out on very good offers. Who knows where you'll be at the time that occurs? You may be on vacation or out of town or just swamped for some reason. So be aware that a professional is going to be collecting that paperwork up front at the beginning. And finally, are they able to explain the short sale process in a way that you understand? A short sale professional will be able to do that very easily, so that when you leave that meeting, you'll understand what you can expect before and during the process. So consider these 5 suggestions as you consider if you will use a certain person as your real estate professional. Now, a little sidebar here. In many situations, working with someone that's a friend, sister, brother, whatever, that may be a good option. However, when it comes to a short sale, that takes a specialized skill set, and you want to be with someone who has that specialized skill set, like we do here at Smith Real Estate Services, where experience isn't expensive, it's priceless.